Hey YouTube, I want to talk a little bit about tires today, about tires for the WPL trucks, the JJRC trucks, the MN model trucks. And what you see here, you seem to see three different types of tires that come with those models, or you can use for those models. But that's not true. Those are not three different types of tires, those are 5 different types of tires, and I will show you the different types, and I will also make some tests to show the performance of the different tire types. So those are the tires that come with the Willys Jeep, the JJRC Q65. They are rather hard, but they have very nice and scale rims. Performance wise they are not the best, but they look quite nice and fit perfectly to the Willys Jeep. So it's difficult to use other tires for this small Jeep. And those are the tires that come with the MN models MN-90, the small 1 to 12 scale D90, and also with the new MN-45, the Toyota Landcruiser. Those are very soft tires, but the compound is not very sticky. And what they do have, they have those strange kind of rims, which have a different diameter on the inner and the outer side. I changed those tires on my MN-90 D90 to the much more scale looking WPL truck tire types. And now to the main reason why I made this video. Because in the internet you read a lot and you hear a lot on YouTube about the different types of tires for WPL and JJRC trucks, and people tell that there are soft and hard types of tires. But that's not totally true. There are 3 types of tires. There are really hard ones, there are medium ones, and there are soft ones. And I guess many people who did never buy or get and test the real soft tire type think that the medium tires, which come with many kits, for example C24 or C14 kit I read, I don't have those, they are the soft tires, but no, there are much softer tires. So all those tires look exactly the same, you can't see a lot. And here on the left side, those are the tires I received with my WPL B1, the first ready to run 1 to 16 military truck I have bought. And those are really hard. You can see that you can hardly press them. People tell that putting them into WD-40 overnight will improve the performance, will make them softer, improve the grip, and also putting them into laundry detergents overnight will improve the quality of the rubber, will make it softer. I tried both recommendations and none of them helped in any way. You see, the shape has changed in those tires. They are the same, nearly the same. Maybe they have improved a tiny little bit, but not a lot. So these tires, they still are hard. Good thing is, you see, they fit and sit firm on the rims. You don't have to glue them and they will work, but the grip and the rubber is very hard. The second type of tire, which looks also exactly the same, is the tire type I call medium. And I got those when I bought spare tires with rims for WPL trucks, and they are significantly smoother and softer than the hard tire type, but still far from soft, and their surface is not very sticky. They sit also firmly on the rims, so you don't have to use you don't have to glue them to the rims, you can use them as they are. And now to the third tire type, and that's the tire type I really recommend. Those are the really soft tires. I bought 2 sets of those, and I always received them when I bought the tires without rims. So I will give the link in the description where you can get those tires, Banggood, and you will receive only tire, no rim and no complete wheel. And those tires, they are really smooth and really soft. The disadvantage, if you will call it disadvantage, of those tires is that they are so soft that they do not sit really firm on the rims. You will have to glue those tires to the rims, and I also highly recommend to make foam inlays. I did this. So they are really soft, sticky, grippy tires, while those tires that are called soft tires by many people, they are medium. They are much nearer to the hard type of tires. What is this? Yes. Let's put them side to side. See, they look exactly the same, and here I can't press. About the same for us here and here. Opa. And now let's see how those tires perform. I will use this chassis that's from my Willys Jeep. I'm building actually, I'm totally upgrading it. I will make a video later about this. So that's only a test setup. Everything will change here. And I will use the 5 different types of tires and show how they perform. And I will test those 5 types of tires, letting them climb a steep incline on a medium slippery surface, and hope I can show you the difference in performance. So let's test. That's my test setup. It's a quite steep incline. The surface is rather smooth and slippery, not very sticky anymore. Let's check the angle. So it's nearly exactly 50 degrees. Checked it with my helicopter pitch coach, so really steep incline. And I put the board on the bottom so that the cars won't slip. So Willys Jeep tires, Hobby Wing 1080 ESC, total overkill. Yes, they slip. And stop. And can I start again? Yes, they do quite well. But you see, they are slipping. So these tires are quite nice. So second candidate, the tires of the MN-90 D90 1/12, or also the MN-45, the Landcruiser. See how they perform. Easy, easy. I hear the leaf springs slipping. They perform well, really well. Second try. Can stop and start again. 50 degrees, that's not bad. Can you hear the leaf springs? Okay, passed. Third candidate, the hard tires of my WPL B1 ready to run. Let's see how they do. Hey, they do really well. Never thought this. Second try. They do good. That's a 50-degree steep incline. Now they are slipping a little bit. Let's go backwards. Oh. Hard tires. Test 3. Attempt 3. Look at this. And now I want to go backwards without the fall. Wow. What a blast. Big surprise. Big surprise. They are better than the Willys Jeep tires and the tires of the MN-90 D90. Well done. Fourth candidate, the medium tires. Let's see how they perform. Wow! I can stop and start again. That's a 50-degree steep incline. Wow! What a performance! Wow! Fantastic! Well done medium tire. And now, last but not least, the soft tires. They are glued to the rims and I made foam inlays for the tires. And let's see how they... I can go smooth, stop, go back, backwards, don't fall. Wow! Those 50 degrees are no problem at all. Even smoother than the medium tires. Check this out, the drag brake of the 1080. 50 degrees. Old tires did really well. Really well. Wow! Check this out. They are even better than the medium tires, as expected. But I guess I should try a steeper incline, shouldn't I? No, don't fall. Can make curves. No problem at all, nothing. Wow! What a performance. Check this out, 50 degree. I guess I should make and try a steeper incline for at least for the soft and the medium tires. Very well done, very positively surprised. To be honest, by all tire types. This is 50 degree, that's more than 100%. That's quite steep. Okay guys, I increased the angle now to more than 55%, 55.5, and I put the battery to the front of the car because I think it would fall down, it would fall backwards. And we'll start this test. I'm not sure, I don't think it will be able to do it. I will start with the soft tires, the best ones. Wow, yeah. Wow, 55 degree. Second try, 55 degrees, soft tires. Well, nearly. Let's try the medium tires. Okay, first attempt, medium tires, 55 degrees, battery in front. Let's see. No. The soft tires. And now you see the difference to the soft tires. The medium tires are not able to move the car on this surface at this steep incline. No, so we have a winner. But anyway, I'm surprised all the tires did quite well. Okay guys, final conclusions. All tires did surprisingly well, but anyway, 5th place the Willys Jeep tire, 4th place the tire of the MN-90 D90 and the MN-45, 3rd place the WPL hard tire of the ready to run set, 2nd place the medium tire, And as expected, honestly, I drove this tire already a lot. The soft tires are the winner. As expected, the soft tires are the winner without any question. The tires of the Willys Jeep, they did surprisingly well, and they look very scaled, so it's... I won't advise you to use other tires on your Willys Jeep. They are okay. I'm disappointed by the tires of the MN-90. I don't use them in my MN-90 anyway, but I thought they would perform better. I'm really surprised about the performance of the hard tires of the ready-to-run sets. I'm also surprised of the performance of the medium tires, and I'm not really surprised of the performance of the soft tires. As already said, I use them a lot and they are fantastic. I think the difference would have been bigger, greater, if there wouldn't have been a smooth surface. It was a flat board where I made the tests, and in the field the difference would be greater. But anyway, I could recommend all of those tires. The Willys Jeep tire did well and they look good. I don't really recommend the MN-90 D90 tires. I don't like them. And those tires of the ready to run set, why not? They are okay. The medium ones, they are even better. And the soft ones, they are fantastic. I recommend to buy them. The disadvantage of the soft ones, you have to glue them, you probably need foam inlays, and they are a little bit more expensive. They are about $5-6 without rims. About the same price are the medium ones, including rims. What setup did I use? I used my helicopter pitch coach to check the angle. I used my Willys Jeep frame where I have a 370 motor, an Overkill Hobby Wing 1080 ESC. That's a crawler ESC for 1/8 to 1/10 crawlers, but it's fantastic. My FlySky GT3C with a 3-channel receiver, 80 channel, and I used the metal transfer case from Banggood and metal shafts. I'm actually testing this setup with several different 370 motors and several different ESCs, and I will make a video about this. Check out, it will come soon. 370 motors. What was a problem? One problem are those very soft leaf springs. They always slip out of the mounting in the front and in the back. You see it here, so I probably should upgrade leaf springs. You need metal drive shafts, of course. Those are the stock axles of the Willys Jeep, the JJRC Q65. They do surprisingly well. There is no metal in yet, and yeah, that's it. See you in the next video with the 370 motors and the ESCs in my Willys Jeep. And when this is finished, I probably could make a board with a rougher, more sticky surface, and make more weight in the body in the front, and try to climb my Willys Jeep even steeper angles. I could try to beat Gabriel Silva's world record of 67 degrees. Well, we will see. Anyway, thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Ciao.